Headcounts is an app used for counting how many people are in a room at one time. The first thing you want to do is choose the right event. We'll go to Sunday service. From there, you'll choose the type and the time. The capacity of our room is 100, and we're not checking people in at a station, so we don't want more than 100 in here. Now it's time to start counting. Each time a person goes in, tap the plus button, and I bet you can figure out what the minus button does. If you've got an iPhone, you can also use the volume buttons. This live count even works when there are multiple people counting at the same time. My buddy Jesse's gonna help us out. Now check this out. When they add or subtract from the count, it automatically updates for me too. If you need to, you can still see exactly how many people you've counted on your specific device. But you can have as many counting buddies as you want, and that big total will stay synced for everyone in real time. Thanks, Jesse.
Of course.
If you want to just enter a number without using the up and down arrows, you can do that too. Just tap on the number and directly enter a total. But be careful. When you enter a number this way, it overwrites any other numbers that have already been entered. It won't add to what's already there. When you get close to the capacity, Headcounts will give you a heads up. When you get to 90%, it'll turn yellow. And when you go over the limit, it'll turn red.